Hello, my name is Kevin Gilmore with the National Weather Service New Orleans Baton Rouge office located in Slidell, Louisiana. This is your weekly weather briefing for Thursday, November 19th. Here's the situation overview. Dry and mild weather is expected to continue all the way through early next week, which includes this upcoming weekend. A weak cold front is expected to move through late Sunday into early Monday, which may be accompanied by a few isolated showers, but is expected to be mainly a dry front. Then we're going to see slightly cooler temperatures behind the front on Monday. Beyond Monday, we are monitoring the next storm system is expected to bring possibly some showers and some thunderstorms across the area Tuesday night into Wednesday. This may be more of a widespread chance of showers and storms. And then we're also monitoring higher than normal tides across the east-facing shorelines of southeast Louisiana and coastal Mississippi, and this will be continuing all the way through the upcoming weekend with a coastal flood advisory remaining in effect, and the tropics are quiet, which are some good news. First, we'll take a 7-day overview of what the forecast looks like here coming up for the next little while. We see that we have some dry conditions, as we just mentioned, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which means we have a really beautiful weekend ahead. Highs will be in around mid to upper 70s, lows a little bit cool in the morning time, around in the 50s. Looks like the next chance of showers and storms, as mentioned before, will be Tuesday into Wednesday, which includes New Orleans and Baton Rouge, as well as going across the coastal Mississippi as well. Again, we may have to monitor these storms as they could be strong or possibly severe around that time frame. But again, looking dry all the way through at least Monday. Here's the tropics, as we talked about. It looks like everything's relatively quiet. We're just monitoring one area of disturbed weather near the Bahamas, which has a 20% chance of development over the next five days. Otherwise, it's really quiet, which is some good news there. And talked about before, this is the coastal flood advisory in effect for the east-facing shorelines of coastal Mississippi and southeast Louisiana. This is due to the potential for some minor inundation around these areas, mainly around for high tide cycle. And again, this will be daily through at least Sunday. So summary of what we just discussed. Dry, mild weather is expected all the way this upcoming weekend into early next week. We may have a weak cold front come through late Sunday to Monday, which will knock temperatures down slightly with slightly cooler temperatures. But beyond Monday, we are monitoring the next chance of potentially widespread showers and storms Tuesday night into Wednesday, where some storms could be strong to possibly severe. And then we're monitoring also higher than normal tides across the east-facing shorelines of southeast Louisiana and coastal Mississippi with a coastal flood advisory in effect. And like we said before, the tropics are quiet, which is fantastic news. That'll end it for this. Have a great week.